Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Aditya Ananta Mahdi. I'm from Nautica Level 2.
To introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Sarir, Major Nautical Level 2.
Yeah, have you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweeter fish medium.
Let's see. Here is a nice yellow one. What do you think?
I think bitter head in black.
Okay. Here is black in a medium. Would you try it on?
Okay. I love it. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $50. It will be 53 with tax.
Okay. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium.
Let's see. Here, a nice black one. What do you think?
I think I would rather have it in yellow.
Okay, here is yellow. In medium wall, you like to try on. Okay.
Yes, it's perfectly. How much is it?
It's $15. It will be $53 with tax.
Okay, I will take it.
Okay.